Hey guys, here's your video. It's only Monday. I'm so sorry that it has taken this long. I'm still having sound issues with the way I usually record, so I'm having to use my MacBook. It's just not the same. But here we go. On this first one, we're going to find the sum and the difference for 4 2/10 and 1 2/100. So the key here is to be sure you're lining up your numbers by place value and decimal. So I'm going to write 4 2/10 plus 1 2/100. I'm going to put in my phantom 0 so that I have a digit in every place value. Okay, and then you're just going to add these up. You've got them lined up correctly, now you're going to add them up. The next thing we need to do is subtract, because we're also looking for the difference. So you should have 2 answers on this one. Okay, so still lined up the same, but we have to regroup because I can't take 2 things from no things. So this becomes 10. This becomes a 1 because we borrowed 10 from it. And now you can subtract. On this next one, which combination of figures would require exactly 80 line segments to draw? So let's draw out these shapes first. An octagon has 8 sides. Okay, so there's your octagon. A triangle, we know, has 3 sides. Make them smaller so I can try and fit all these shapes. A hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, and then let me see what other shapes are listed here. A square. So square's easy. We know squares have 4 equal sides. Okay, so now we have to look at every answer option and determine how many sides they have all together. The sides are the line segments because they have 2 ends. One side does not continue on, or both sides do not continue on forever. So 8 octagons times 8 sides gives me 64 line segments. Okay, then I'm going to look at my triangle. 4 triangles times 3 sides is 12. And then my hexagon has 6 sides. So then I'm going to add these up. 64 plus 12 plus 6 is going to give me 82. I'm looking for the answer option that gives me 80 line segments. So A is not going to work for us. So the next thing you're going to do is look through every answer option. 6 hexagons, well, I know that 6 and 8 went on a date and they came back as 48 line segments. And I know 6 squares times 4 sides is 24 sides. Okay, so you're going to do that for each one to find 80 line segments. So the next one, Elisa borrowed $148 from her dad. She will pay him back $5 each week until she has paid the money back. Estimate the number of weeks it will take Elisa to pay back the money. We've been working on estimation. We've been struggling with that. So I'm going to start with the $148. Okay. And what we've been doing is 148 is between 100 and 200, but this is really close to 150, which is super compatible with 5. So I'm going to make this 150, and I'm going to divide it into $5 payments to determine the estimation of how many weeks. Okay? All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and I'm going to try really hard to get the rest of the week up. Hopefully my sound doesn't give me any more issues, but let me know if you need any other help. Thanks for your patience. Bye.